Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Today, prepare your taste buds for a journey into the delectable world of sweet potato desserts. Trust me, you are in for a treat. The sweet potato wonder. Meet the stars of our show, the vibrant sweet potatoes. Each variety brings its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Did you know sweet potatoes are as diverse as they are delicious? The guilt-free indulgence. Guilt-free indulgence has never looked this good. Say goodbye to the guilt and hello to a healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth. These mouth-watering brownies, muffins, and pies redefine the dessert games. The science of sweet potatoes. Let's dive into the sweet science. These desserts aren't just tasty, they are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes make indulgence a guilt-free pleasure. Baking bonding time. Baking isn't just about the end result, it's about the journey and the memories created along the way. Join families and friends in the joy of sweet potato desserts, making baking a tradition. Sweet potato innovation. Explore the ever evolving world of sweet potato desserts with unique recipes like sweet potato ice cream and cheesecake. These innovations take sweet potatoes to a whole new level of culinary delight. And there you have it, the incredible journey of sweet potato desserts. Like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, keep on indulging in the sweet side of life. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. Stay tuned for more foodie delights. See you in the next episode on Blogging Good Food.